I need a mask on.
No.
I'm a Muslim. What are you doing? The fuck? I wasn't involved. I wasn't involved in any of the rapes. I fed them fish.
Oh my gosh, my stomach hurts. I just wanted to get your point of view.
And I saw what you did. I saw it with my own 2 eyes.
We're gonna watch this tomorrow when you're sober.
It's all been a pack of lies.
No, we... I don't know. I don't know where you're going with that. But, let's talk about... No.
Hold on. Where's my phone at? Because I'm fighting fire with fire.
You're going to record me?
No. I'm going to record you recording me. Hold on. No, hold on. Hold on. No. I got you on this shit. Watch this.
Wait, but I'm trying to get your point of view on your chicken rape show.
My chicken rape show?
Yeah.
Chicken fuckers?
This is going to come back to haunt you, too.
The chicken fuckers? Huh?
Those... No, it's rape. When you slam somebody's head to the ground and jump on top of them, even if it's only 3 seconds, it's considered rape. Whether you're a chicken or a person.
If it's 3 seconds, it's not rape.
Really?
I swear to God.
Okay, where do you know that from?
Hey, what's that one guy's name? Phil? Oh, I got you.
I don't know what you're talking about.
Phil.
Phil who? From Duck Dynasty?
No.
Phil Robertson?
Phil Collins.
What?
Get ready. It's about to be a power struggle.
I don't even know what you're talking about. Oh my gosh, but my stomach hurts.
Swear to God. It's about to blow your mind.
I can only imagine.
Think of the chicken. Are you still recording me? That's not right.
No, this is going to be a 48-hour special one day when I'm killed and they find this out. And you say if it's 3 seconds,
dead.
it's not rape?
Because, I mean... Okay.
What are you listening to?
This is from the chicken's perspective.
The rooster or the hen?
Well, I remember.
Are you karaoke?
Don't worry. How could I ever forget the first peck? The last peck I ever...
So inappropriate.
Bok. Now listen to the words from the chicken. This is the chicken. The chicken speaking through this song.
No, it's not.
Here we go.
It didn't last that long.
Bok. For all my life. Hold on. Oh, verse. Now listen. You're gonna see where it intertwines with the Rooster Rape. R&R.
Rooster Rape. There you
R&R.
go.
R&R.
No, I have a hat that
Oh, the
says
next
every girl
2020?
needs a little R&R.
Thank you.
My cute pink.
Pink. See?
My cute pink and
you guys
black
are flirting
hat.
You're flirting with it all the time. Oh, pink R&R. You're just asking for it.
Rooster Rape. I'm asking for that.
Cock rape.
No, R&R. That's Rooster Rape.
Saw what you did. I saw it with my own two eyes. I thought that grin.
What are you doing?
I know where you've been. It's all been a pack of lies.
Are we still talking about the Rooster Rape?
Yes, there's
Oh,
nothing wrong with it. Are you still recording this? What do I do? This is evidence.
Yeah, it is.
Oh, man.
Animal Planet, here you come.
Get that off me. I need a
No,
mask or
you're
something.
singing. They've already seen you like for 5 minutes. Yeah, 5 minutes.
Where'd Roger go?
This is gonna be awesome.
For all my life.
You're incognito, but hold your head up so we can see you. I think that's on backwards.
I don't care. Who are you? Listen.
That girl.
When I remember, don't worry.
There's no pecking.
How did I?
Okay, we're gonna go ahead and stop this. Do you have anything left to say?
I ever pet. This is where the rape comes in. I don't know why the song came into mind.
I have no idea, but that's kind of weird.
And there's a show.
Okay, do you have anything left to say? Just for future.
I just want to say that I believe that Donald Trump is the best.
No, we're talking about. No.
Rooster
Stop.
Rape?
Yeah,
Okay, listen.
we're not talking politics.
Hey, you know, that rooster has a big responsibility. A huge responsibility. The hens have a responsibility, but it's not near as huge as the cock. The cock has the biggest responsibility.
Which is what?
He has to protect the hens. He has to be the biggest cock on the block.
Okay, so wait, why is it okay for him to jump on their back, slam their head to the ground, and fuck them? I'm just wondering.
Listen. Okay?
I just don't think in any species that is okay.
You can't just walk around with your beak down and your ass up and expect not to get fucked.
They don't.
Beak down, ass up. That's the way I like to fuck. I mean, that's just